What if I told you that your savings account could do more than just sit there? What if it could actively grow your money with one of the highest interest rates in market? Enter Barclays Bank's high-yield savings accounts. But is it all as good as it sounds, or are there hidden catches you need to know about? Let's break it down. What makes Barclays high-yield savings account stand out? Barclays Bank offers two primary high-yield savings options, the Barclays Online Savings Account and the Barclays Tiered Savings Account. Both accounts promise competitive interest rates, no monthly maintenance fees, and no minimum deposit requirements to open an account. Sounds like a dream, right? But let's dig deeper into their features. Competitive interest rates. The Barclays Online Savings Account offers an APY of 3.9%. While this is higher than the national average, some competitors provide even more attractive rates. The Barclays Tiered Savings Account takes it up a notch with an APY ranging from 4.15% to 4.40%. However, here's the catch. You'll need to maintain a balance of $250,000 to unlock the highest rate. No monthly fees or minimums. One of the most appealing aspects of Barclays high-yield savings accounts is their simplicity. No monthly maintenance fees and no minimum deposit required to get started. Daily compounding interest. Interest on these accounts compounds daily and deposits monthly, which means your money grows faster over time compared to accounts that compound less frequently. FDIC insurance. Your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per account holder or $500,000 for joint accounts, offering peace of mind for your savings. $200 bonus opportunity. If you're opening a tiered savings account and can deposit at least $25,000 within 30 days while maintaining it for 120 days, you'll earn a $200 bonus. However, this offer excludes current or previous Barclays customers with savings accounts or CDs. The pros of Barclays high-yield savings accounts. Let's start with what Barclays gets right. High APYs compared to traditional banks. While not always the highest among online banks, Barclays rates significantly outperform traditional brick-and-mortar banks. No hidden fees. Forget about monthly service charges or minimum balance penalties. Barclays keeps things straightforward. Ease of access. You can manage your account entirely online or via their app, making it convenient for tech-savvy users. Flexible opening requirements. With no minimum deposit required to open an account, anyone can get started regardless of their financial situation. Global reputation. As one of the largest financial institutions in the world with strong credit ratings from agencies like Moody's and Fitch, Barclays offers a level of trustworthiness that few competitors can match. Daily compounding interest. This feature ensures your money grows as efficiently as possible over time. The cons you need to watch out for. Of course, no bank is perfect. Here are some drawbacks worth considering. Top APY requires a large balance. To earn the highest rate on the tiered savings account, 4.4%, you'll need at least $250,000 in your account, a steep requirement for most people. No checking accounts. Unlike some competitors such as Discover or Ally Bank, Barclays doesn't offer checking accounts in the US, making it harder to move money quickly between accounts. Limited physical presence. As an online-only bank in the US, Barclays doesn't have physical branches or ATMs for cash deposits or withdrawals. Transfer delays. To access your funds, you'll need to transfer money to an external bank account, a process that can take a few business days. Not always the best rates. While competitive, Barclays APYs don't always top the charts compared to other online banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Synchrony Bank. Withdrawal limits. Although there are no explicit frequency limits on withdrawals for these accounts, excessive transactions could lead to account closure under certain conditions. Who should consider Barclays high-yield savings accounts? Barclays high-yield savings accounts are ideal for savers seeking simplicity, if you want a straightforward account with no fees or minimums. Those with large balances, if you can maintain $250,000 or more in savings, you'll benefit from their top-tier APY. Tech-savvy individuals, if you're comfortable managing your finances entirely online. People looking for safety, With FDIC insurance and strong financial stability ratings, Barclays is a safe place for your money. Bonus hunters, if you meet the requirements for their $200 bonus offer on tiered savings accounts, who might want to look elsewhere? On the flip side, these accounts might not be the best fit if you need quick access to cash via ATMs or debit cards. You prefer having all your banking needs, savings, checking, and loans in one place. You're looking for the absolute highest APY available on the market without requiring a large balance. You dislike transferring funds between different banks due to potential delays. So, should you open a high-yield savings account with Barclays? The answer depends on your financial goals and priorities. If you're looking for a safe place to grow your savings without worrying about fees or minimums, and especially if you have a large balance, Barclays is an excellent choice. However, if quick access to funds or having multiple banking products under one roof matters more to you, other banks might better suit your needs. Ultimately, Barclays shines in offering simplicity and competitive rates, but falls short in flexibility and accessibility compared to some rivals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.